the steps are easy to follow. Let me show you how to make my chicken cashew. Let's begin by preparing the 225 grams. Then cut the chicken into long strips. Switch it for fresh water to avoid cross-contamination. The same would add 10 grams of cornstarch and 15 grams of light soy sauce. Mix the ingredients thoroughly, ensuring that all the chicken is evenly vegetables. 80 grams of mushrooms. Remove the stem and cuttings and set them aside for later. Next up, take 40 grams of spring onion. Remove the root and separate the green and the white part. Cut the white part into bite-sized pieces and chop the greasy part slightly small. 90 grams of red chili. Cut the stem off, split it and then into quarters. Slice the chili into bites and 10 grams. Top and bottom, cut it into 2 pieces. Peel the skin off and then cut the onion into wedges. Big-sized pieces. Now for my favorite ingredient, the garlic. Add 20 grams of garlic by lightly crushing them and remove the skin. And last, we need to prepare 90 grams of cashew nuts and set them aside for later. Now we need to prepare water. Add 5 grams of fish sauce, followed by 3 grams of dark soy sauce. Then add 5 grams of brown sugar and lastly 20 grams of oyster sauce. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly to heat the stove to high setting and wait for the water to become hot. Now it's time to add the cashews and toast them until they're golden as much oil as possible. So when it's hot, add the garlic and add the mushrooms and the white part of the green onion instead. These two ingredients can be mixed and not more heat to cook them directly and remove them from the heat. Now add a bit more oil and add the marinated chicken. Fry the chicken until it's cooked. When the chicken is ready, reintroduce the onion and mushrooms, then add the garlic and chili. Next, we need to add the green part of the spring onion, as well as the red and green bell peppers, together with the toasted cashews. Stir all the ingredients together and add the sauce we prepared. The sauce has thickened slightly and then you can turn off the stove. Serving this dish over white rice or fried rice. That's it. The chicken cashew stir fry. Easy homemade takeout.